think, what problems of the world can we solve by stepping back and thinking?
We're currently sitting inside one of IBM's solution centers where we actually demo technology. What you're going to see today is Maximo, which is a suite of applications. Maximo Visual Inspection is the solution that we're using to visually inspect parts using artificial intelligence.
It's a perfect application for 5G Ultra Wideband inside a factory for the enterprise. The millimeter wave technology that we've deployed is perfect for industrial use cases because we have so much bandwidth.
Industrial equipment has more and more sensors embedded on it. The data needs are exploding.
And I think this is the thing that underpins this AI era that we are in. It is data. And so the iPhone with its Core ML, 5G giving us the connectivity, the AI logic that we build in Maximo, all of these converge to bring this solution to life.
Quality is extremely important for Toyota. Quality is our brand. Our goal is 0 defects, and it's a passionate pursuit. We do 2,200 vehicles a day. Each one has 4 connectors for our proof of concept. That would be almost 10,000 connectors every day. Maximo Visual Inspection is making a difference for us. And as we scale out and have more of these devices in our manufacturing facilities, we're going to need that bandwidth, right? And we're going to need that reliability. We're going to need 5G technology to meet the expectations of the customer of the future.
Indoor 5G is going to change the way people work in their factories or their offices. The security capabilities, the bandwidth, the latencies. So we're talking about using an iPhone 12 on a factory line, using the greatest AI and ML there is out there to create something that's really helpful for a factory. Guess what? You pick that same phone up and you go outside and you're able to use it on our 5G Ultra Wideband network as well. There's never been so much innovation happening all at the same time.
A high percentage of the top companies on the planet already run Maximo. We're continuing to discover the use cases, but the use cases are endless. It doesn't always have to be a car, a steering wheel, for example. It could be a bridge. So instead of climbing up on the wires of a bridge, you can install cameras all over the bridge, and you can 24/7 monitor for cracks.
This is where 5G begins to change the whole dimension, and the whole landscape, because you're able to leverage 5G and really the volumes of data it's able to provide to support scenarios that were previously, really not even possible.